Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics. Reading and writing number up to 10 digit. This is our topic. And in this video, we are going to cover the exercise 2.1 which is available in our Navneet digest. Okay, so please open the Navneet digest page number 211. In this one the exercise 2.1 is there. Okay, so please open and listen carefully what I'm saying and what I'm giving the explanations. But before going to exercise 2.1, on a page number 210, okay, 210, there are the three examples already solved in our book. So just speedily we will cover up that one and we will try to understand what exactly the solutions are given in our book. Okay, so question number 1 in a solved example, page number 210. Okay, the question first, write the number. So there is a number given like this 13 lakh, then 0,578. Okay, in a word format. Okay, so this is the unit, tens, hundreds, these are the zeros, thousands, 10,000s, and this is lakh and 10 lakhs. Okay, now this is the number 13. 13 is a lakhs position, this is thousands position, hundreds position. Okay, so in a word format, first we will speak about while reading the 13 lakh. 13 lakh. So first we will check in option number 1 the 13 lakh option number 1 is mentioned, and even option number 3 also 13 lakh, 4 also 13 lakh mentioned. Okay, so 1, 3 and 4 is there. Then 0 0 means thousands place is not mentioned, so we will not read the thousand, we will directly read to the hundreds place. Okay, so 500. So 500 is mentioned on option number 3 and the option number 4, because option number 1 5700 is mentioned, which is incorrect one. Okay, so 500 option number 3 and option number 4 is mentioned. Then 78, this one 78 mentioned option number 3 correctly, but in option number 4 87 mentioned, so that's why this option 4 also incorrect one, so only the option 3 is the correct one. So question number 1 option 3 already given in our textbooks, that there is the explanation also. In question number 2, write the number 6 abja. Okay, so while giving any word, just note down like this the places. There is a text, one table also mentioned. So from the right side also you can make the places, just dash like this one. Unit, then tens, hundreds, then comma, then thousand, then 10,000, then again comma, then lakh, 10 lakh, then comma, and after that one crore, and then 10 crore and comma, and then abja, like this one. Okay, or we can do the table which is available, already given in our book, like this one also. But I think once you make the more and more practice, or if you are clearing this all the places and their terms or grouping name also, so to minimize the times in our exam, try to make it the fastly. Okay, you can use your trick also like a dash dash, but understand the comma should be very clearly, and you can easily recognize the exactly the place of that particularly which you are making the digit on that one. Okay, so 6 abja. Now this is the crores, lakhs, thousands, and this is the abja place. Okay, so here the 6 abja, and then 5 crore, 5 crore, not 50 or something. So here 0 will comes and the 5 crore, like 5 will come on a crores place. Then 11 lakh, 11 lakh means 1 is here and 1 is here, 11 lakh, because this is the terms lakhs terms. Okay, I hope you understand everything, but just I'm explaining this one. And then 13,000, 13 means 1 and 3 here, 1000, this is the thousands group. Okay, 10,000 and thousands group. And then 716, 716, 1 6. Okay, 1 6, like this one. So this is also the formation of the number from the word to the digits format. Okay, so that's why, and this is available in option number 2. So option number 2 of the question number 2 is correct one. There is a explanation also given, just read all this explanation and try to understand the exactly the table format, or this option like this one dash dash you can make it, but don't forget to make the commas, okay, separate to that places also. Then question number 3, recognize the sequence. This is very important. Question number 3, in a sequence, if you see the first number 34 crore, then 70 lakh, then 13,589. Okay, after this one, the second number is making the question marks. Okay, the third number is given 34. I'm just write down in the below of this first one, 34,000, then 34 crore, then 70 lakh, then 13,591 mentioned here. Okay, this question is comes in between one, and this is the third, this is the first, and the fourth number I'm just making write down 34 crore, then 70 lakh, then 13,592 mentioned. Okay, now this is a series. I am writing this in a vertical column from the top to the bottom. Okay, so you can understand. Now, if you see all the digits from this one, means crore digits here, crore digits here, and here, all are the same. So our number will also the same, 34 crore. Then 70, 70, 70 on a lakhs place, so 70 also will comes. Then 13, 13, 13, 13 also will come. Means the changes is at the last one. Okay, so up to the hundreds, means 500 also the same. Then at the last, if you see here 89, then one question means unknown number which we have to find out. After that one, the 91 and the 92. Now here both are consequently means plus 1. Okay, consequently mentions, but here one is missing, which is we have to find out. So after 89, then something, and then 91, 92 means here the 90 will comes. Okay, and the others numbers will be same as it is. So 590. So this number is already given. Okay, means we can say this is greater, or we can say added with 1, then next number will come. So this sequence we will maintain from the beginning, means 81 89 plus 1, then unknown number plus 1, then this 91 will comes. After this one plus 1 means 92 will come. So this sequence will be maintained, means from 89 to 92, these are the sequentially numbers are there. So at the question marks, this 34 crore 70 lakh 13,590, this number will comes. So the option number 1 is the correct one. Now on page number 211, exercise 2.1, we will start this one. So page number 211, the first question, how are the following numbers written in words? The number is like this one. I'm not just reading this one, because we have to, after reading, we have to find out this correct answer. So this is the unit, this is a tens. I just shortly write down here. This is 100, H for 100, and then this is the 1000, and then 10,000 means TTH. Okay, and then lakhs. Okay, so while reading, we know reading should be start from the left side. Okay, so the greatest number, and or the we can say the place is the lakhs place, and the digit is the 2. Okay, so 2 lakh. Okay, so 2 lakh comes in option number 1. No, option number 1 is the 20 lakhs comes, so option 1 is the incorrect one. Now the option 2, 2 lakhs comes. Okay, even option number 3, 2 lakh mention. Option 4, 20 lakhs mentioned. So option 4 is the incorrect one. We will check in between the option number 2 and the 3. Now after the 2 lakh, there is a zero at the tens thousand. Okay, so only the thousands place means the 3,000. So 3,000 mentioned in option number 3 and option number 2 also. Okay, 2 and the 3. So both are okay, possible. Then we will check for the with 100. 100 is mentioned only option number 3. In option number 2, if you see 700 mentioned, which is totally incorrect one. Okay, so option number 2 is the incorrect one. Option number 3 only the one now, which may be correct, but we will check further. After the 100, 74 there, and which is correctly mentioned in option number 3, say 174. So this option number 3 is the correct one. The question one's option number 3 is the correct one. 2,03,174. Now question number 2, there is a number given 4 5, then 7 1, then 504. Just I'm not reading properly because we have to find out that exactly the answers. Now we will give the places, means the unit place, this is the tens place, then hundreds place, thousands, then 10,000s, then this is the lakhs, and this 10 lakhs. Okay, now this comma already we have given. Okay, so this is a lakhs group, means 45 lakh. Okay, where is the mention 45 lakh? 45 lakh is mentioned in option number 1 and the 4. So the option number 1 and the 4th is possibility. Option 2, 4 5 7, like this one. So option number 2 is incorrect. And in option number 3, 4 5 7 lakh something. No, this is incorrect one. So we will check further option number 1 and the 4. Now after 45 lakh, we will read the next numbers. There is the 7 and 1, means 7 at the 10,000s and 1 at the thousands, means 71,000. So 71,000 is mentioned in option 1. 71,000 correctly mentioned. Option 1 and the in option 4, both are possibilities. After this one, 500. So 500 mentioned in both option 1 and option 4. After this one, 500, 4 is there. 0 at the 10, so we will not read. Only the one digit, means at the unit place 4 is there. Okay, so option 1 is the correctly given 504. But in option number 4, if you see, 405 is mentioned, which is a totally incorrect. Okay, so option number 1 is the correct one, option 4 is the incorrect one, because there is a 405. Okay, this is a wrong one. So the option number 1 is the correct one. Now question 3. On question 3, some numbers given like this: 0 0, then 0 0, and then 257. Now we have to read this number. Okay, first we will mark out all the places, this unit place, tens, hundreds. Okay, these are the thousands and 10,000, then these are the lakhs and 10 lakhs, these are the crore and 10 crore, and this is the abja. So which is the digit at the abja place? 7 abja. Okay, 7 is there. So 7 abja mention all the options. After this one, 0 and then 4 means 4 crore. 4 crore means option number 2 and the 4 are the correct one. But if you see option number 1, there is a 4 lakh mentioned, which is the incorrect one. And option number 3, 400 mentioned. So option number 3 is incorrect. Now the option number 2 and the option number 4, we will check it in between these two. After the 4 crore, all are the 0, means lakhs position 0, thousands place is the 0. Directly the 200 comes. So 200. Okay, so 200 mention option number 4, 200. Okay, so both are the correct one. After this one, 57. 57. Okay, 257. In option number 2, if you see the 4 crore, 2500. 2500. No, which is incorrect one. This is not a 2500. Okay, this is the 200. So option number 2 is the incorrect one. So only the one option may be correct, which is option number 4. We will check further to correct one. Then 257, which is a correctly mentioned in option number 4. So the option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 4. There is a number given 100, then 00, then 010. Okay, now we have to read this number. Okay, in option 1 2 3 and 4, so these are the 100 place. I will directly jump up on 100. This is the tens, means 10 is there at the last, then 00 at the thousand, 00 at the lakhs. Okay, after this one at the crore. Okay, this is the crore place. So 1 crore, and there is a no lakhs in and no thousands place, means so there is a no division at the crore, so we will not speak about the crore. Even there is a no sorry, there is no any digit at the lakhs and the thousands, so we will not read about these two groups. So 1 crore, and after this one there is no 100 also, only the 10. So 1 crore and 10. So 1 crore and 10 is mentioned in option number 2, which is correct one. Option number 5, So number is given 3, 5, then 0 and 1, 4. Now we have to read this one. This is the thousands, 10,000s. Okay, these three already we know, so I will not repeat again and again. After this one, this is a lakhs. So lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, so means this is a 70 lakhs and this is a 35,000. Okay, so 70 lakh. Where is the mention? All the options mentioned correctly. Then 35. But in option number 1, incorrect one. 53 something mentioned, so which is incorrect one. So option 2, 35,000, 3500 mentioned, which is incorrect one. Then option 3 correctly mentioned, it may be. Option 4 also correctly mentioned, so which may be. Then after this one, 35,000, 14 is only mentioned in option number 3, but in option number 4, 1 4 mentioned, which is incorrect reading. So option number 3 is the correct reading. Question number 6, which number will occur consequently after 5 crore? 5 crore, okay. 9 lakh, 9 lakh means 09. Okay, all the lakh spaces. This is crore place, this is lakh place. Okay, means 2 digits, then thousands. Okay, then 100, 10, then ones. Okay, units we can say. So 5 crore 9 lakh means 09. Then 77,000. 77 means 77, and this is the thousands groups, 77,000. Then 500, 500 and 99. 99 means 9 and at the unit also 9. So this is the number which is mentioned correctly in option number 1. So option number 1 is the correct. Question number 7. How is the number 6 lakh 60,000? 6 lakhs. Okay. So from the right side, you need then tens, hundreds, comma, then thousand, 10,000, comma, then lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. We have given up to the lakh. Okay. So we will mark out up to this one. So 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs means this is 10 lakhs, only one digit. So 6 is here comes 6 lakh. Okay. Then 60,000. 60 means 60,000. Okay. Then 60 means 0 at the 100 and the 6 at the tens and 0 at the units, like this one. So 6 lakh 60,000 and 60, which is correctly mentioned in the option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct one. If you see the options others means 1 and 2, there is a 600 also mentioned, which is incorrect one. And at the fourth, which is the 6,000 also mentioned, means instead of the 60,000, there is the mention the 6,000. So that's why these are the incorrect one. Now question number 8. Write the number 90 lakh. Okay, up to the lakh means you need tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000 and the lakh. And the 90 lakh means tens lakhs also we have to consider. So 90 means lakhs, like this 90, 90 lakh and 9, and directly 9 is given. So thousands place are the 0, hundreds place are also 0, and only the 9 digit given means the tens also the 0. So this is correctly mentioned in the option number 2, which is correct one. If you see the option number 1, there is a 9 lakh and 9, but we require the 90 lakh, so that's why this is incorrect one. In option number 3, if you see, there is a up to the crore mention, which is incorrect one. And in a fourth option, 90,009 is mentioned, which is incorrect one. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct one.